Hello everyone and welcome back to OGA Academy. As we continue with our Backoffice series, I would like to introduce today to our newest edition in the BO tabs, which is entirely dedicated to training material and business resources. This is the OG Training tab, as we can find down here. Just as we saw in our Documents panel video, you can notice that we have organized the documents under different titles that are clickable links and under which you will find the material in different available languages. We have tried to make your access to this presentation as easy and as direct as possible. That is why we have divided the information into categories that represent products, opportunity, success, and how to get started tools. We would love you to take the time to explore all this information and take full advantage of the examples, strategies, business tools, and training material for making your experience as an organo distributor fun and fulfilling, yet successful at the same time. Please navigate through preferred customer brochures, getting started presentations, hosting an OG mixer, making best use of your monthly planner, and of course go in detail about our new products with all the latest info about OGX. We hope you can feel the power of business well done as you train yourself and your team with these pages, and that way you set your whole organization up for success. Please visit the rest of the videos of this series and stay tuned to OG Academy. Thanks so much for your attention.